Good day, everyone. I'm Isaac Ajao. I want to take us through how to handle missing observation in data. It's part of data cleaning we do before we go into the real analysis. This is to reduce error. Now, I want to show us using an example. Okay, this is an example. These are values. This is a variable with missing observation. You have three observation here. There will be more than this. Use an example. So to make it faster, I can just copy like this. I'll copy it to Stata. Open data editor. I can do that. But I can I want to use do editor. So new do editor, this is it. Can just paste. I need to write something before I paste. Now this is student ID. This is too long. I can say student ID. Now give it, let's save it as okay. Student score. Students scores. So student ID, I need to use comments. Anything you write after this star, Starter will not run it. It's comments. Sample can generate or just sample datasets. I need to clear whatever is whatever. I have some data to be on safer side. I need to write it clear so that to clear the data on the data editor. The input this. So now Starter may not execute it until you put dots there, or the dot representing missing data. But I'll do that on Excel before you even import it. Then end. Yes. So you run this. Let's see, it has brought it here. It has also shown it in data editor. Okay. Let's continue. We are not through with it yet. What to do now? We can now calculate the mean. We want to use the mean now to replace the mean of this data set. The mean of this data set is what we want to use to replace the missing observation. The mean of this variable, this course, is what you want to use to replace the missing observation or the median. Let us use the mean. Now another comment for clarity. Calculate the mean. Calculate the mean. The mean as the mean of the observation, the mean of the observation under the variable. The mean of score. Score is the variable. So I can let be a quote so that you understand. Scores. So that's if we want to do that in Stata, we need to use again function. Then you can, because we are going to we want to generate the mean. So now let it be part of that score mean, and that will be equal to the mean itself. To obtain the mean of this course, to just go to the table and pick it. Because then we can now replace since we have obtained, so we want to replace wherever we see the dot observation, we want to replace with the mean we have generated here. So the mean we have generated from the variable score is what we call score mean, generated from this. Replace missing values with the mean or the generated mean. So now, so we're going to do here, we can now see we can now use the replace we used the other time. Replace score mean. I just copy this one list. This score mean equals so score is supposed to be, because we want to replace the score that has issue. So score mean, this is the score that has score mean if missing. If you remember the way we did it somewhere, the video I produced before this. So if missing, the Stata recognizes that command missing. So we just put the scores there. Anywhere you see scores, that's S. Trying to avoid any possible error. So now, what we have done here is that we have asked Stata to generate score mean, that is taking the score, the mean of this course. It has done it, and it's stored in another variable called score mean. Now, don't forget to use the again function. Here, we want to replace the score now here with the score mean. So anywhere you see missing, you are instructing Stata. Anywhere you see missing observation, it will replace it with this score mean. So that's what we are saying. And then we can now list it. Even we need to list this one, because we need to list it on the console. We need to list it on the results list. So list, come here, and then you can also list the list here. That is when you want to list the original. Okay, what's it? List, or let's say display the original data with missing value. Need to put this one there. So list, we do that. Another list we need here is display now, believing that what we put is our code to do that is correct. Display the new data with missing values, or new variable, new data set with missing values with replaced values. So here's a list. So let me run it. Okay. Let's see. You can see what you're talking about. It has generated. Now you can see, I go here and see it. Now the missing value have been generated with the mean. It's generated score mean, the mean of the scores. These are the, anywhere we see these are 3.57 here. These are the where we have missing observation before. So it has replaced them. So if we want to continue with analysis now, it is this new one we're going to use. If it's median, where I use let me reduce the font size. That is too big. Let's use the default. So if you want to use the median, all you need to do is just replacing this with median. It does it. So this is better and acceptable than just using one particular value and say we are replacing it with observation. This is how to go about it in Stata. Thanks for watching.